Today, we're going to learn how to listen to silence. We are constantly surrounded by so many sounds. Some we hear clearly, others simply blend into the background. But have you ever stopped to think that individual sounds only exist because of silence? Every sound has a beginning and an end, and silence is what holds it from both sides. Find a comfortable seat, hands resting gently on your knees. Feel the weight of your body in the chair. On your next inhale, reach up through the crown of your head. Feel the stretch travel all the way from your tailbone, up through the full length of your spine, and on the exhale, softly close your eyes. Bring your attention to the space around you. Feel yourself within it. Listen to the sounds nearby. Gently shift your focus from one sound to another, resting on each one for just a few seconds. Simply observe. Now notice how the air touches your skin, and continuing to observe, turn your attention inward. Stay in the role of the witness, accepting everything exactly as it is. Become aware of your breath without trying to change anything. Notice how the air touches your nostrils, the walls of your nose, how your lungs fill with each inhale and release with each exhale. Feel the difference in temperature between the air coming in and the air going out. Accept your breath exactly as it is. Let the fading sound of the bowl be a gentle reminder of silence. Try to catch the exact moment when the sound disappears and stillness arrives. Got distracted? That's perfectly okay. The most important thing is simply noticing. Let the thought go and quietly return to the sound of the singing bowl. And now, take a generous deep inhale. Feel it fill every corner of your lungs, and a long, easy exhale. On your next inhale, raise your arms and stretch. Notice how good that feels. Before we close today's practice, take a moment to check in with yourself. Notice any shifts that have happened inside. Smile at yourself. Smile at the world around you. Now you know. Meditation is simple.